Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step how to change the language settings in League of Legends using the latest 2026 method. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. As you can see, my League client is currently in English, so the first step would be exiting the League client. After exiting your League client, on the top right corner of your screen, locate or find your profile icon. After clicking your profile icon, click Settings, and in here, find League of Legends. Now, to change the language, there would be a game text language with the drop-down menu. Click the drop-down menu, in which case, I would be changing my game's language from English to Korean. Now that I have selected my preferred language, I can now close the settings, and there you would see that my League client needs an update. I would be clicking on the update, and I'm going to wait until the update is done. Now that the update is done, I can now hit play, and there you would see that my League client is now on Korean. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.